In today's video, I'll be showing you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G to a Windows computer. Now, the first thing you need to do on your Windows computer is to install the Samsung Smart Switch application. So this is the Samsung Smart Switch. I'm gonna bring it up. I've already made a whole video on how to install Samsung Smart Switch. So I'm gonna link it down below in case you're interested. You can go ahead and check it out. Now, what you need to do is connect your phone to your computer via a data cable. So I'm going to do just that. Now, once you connect, you might see unsupported USB connection. And that's because you need to go to your Samsung phone, swipe down and look for that USB connection. It's currently connected for charging. So you want to tap on that and then select transferring files. And then you might need to authenticate with your password. I'm just going to use my pattern here. And now you should be connected to Smart Switch, as you can see. All right, so on your phone, it's going to say connected, as you can see. And on your computer, for me, it's still connecting. So now at this point, all I have to do is select what I want to do, either to restore or to backup. Now, since I want to backup, I'm just going to select the backup option. And then it's going to let me select everything I want to backup. I can leave out the stuff I don't want to backup. And then I can choose to save as SPBM and CSV format, or just as this format. So I'm going to leave it as default and then just select backup. Transfer data from chat apps. Now, if you want to backup your WhatsApp chats and Viber chats, you can do that. Click OK. Now, it's almost ready to start the backup, but it's telling me that it's preparing to back up the data and it's going to exclude content in my secure folder, which makes sense because that's supposed to be secure content. I'm going to click OK, and then now it's going to start the backup. There you go. So now it's backing up messages, reminders, literally everything on my Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.